Hello everyone, we are doing wonderful today. Today we are going to make this key holder. Let's get started. I've taken a wooden board 12 inches by 3.5 inches and I've already stuck some adhesive hooks and a mermaid tail, which I think gives a nice touch in the bottom part of the board. So I'm going for the sunset theme here. The reason I stuck the adhesive hooks before itself is so that the resin can act as a stronger and a permanent glue, because over time the adhesive becomes weak and sometimes the hooks just fall off. I have not primed or painted the board with any color. I am just going for the natural look. Let's see how this turns out. So all I'm doing here is just pouring in all my colors and then blending them together. If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for my future videos. Of the resin has cured, so now it's time to remove the clear tape from the back. As you can see, there's a lot of resin drippings. So ideally the tape should help in removing these drippings. If your resin has cured and it's becoming a little hard to remove, just use your heat gun and on low heat just blow the heat gun at the resin dripping. I set my heat gun on low and I'm just blowing it over the resin dripping. So the resin dripping will melt slightly and it makes it easier to remove it from the board. Once all the tape is removed, if there are any sharp edges, sand it with the sandpaper and then paint the edge for a neat look. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment and share for more videos. I'll see you in the next one.